Today I'm going to show you how to change ignition leads. Ignition leads carry really high voltage from the ignition coil to the spark plugs. It's a really simple job and you don't need many tools.
For this job, the only things you're going to need are a screwdriver, some dielectric grease and your new ignition leads.
I need to remove a few parts before I can actually get these ignition leads off. So I'm going to start with the snorkel. We'll undo the snorkel first. I'll undo the air mass meter plug. Air mass meter plug's off. Air temperature plug's off. Now I'll just undo the air filter housing. Wiggle parts away and I should be able to lift clear the air filter box. Okay, now we're ready to remove the ignition leads. So the easiest way to do it is to remove one lead at a time. And I really recommend that that be the way that you do it. Remove one, put a new one in. So I'm twisting the boot, not pulling on the lead. Now I'll remove it from the spark plug end, same way. Twist it 90 to 180 degrees. Only by the boot, not by the lead. There we are. One spark plug lead removed. So because the leads come as a set for the whole engine, as you can see, we've got a myriad of lengths. So we need to just compare them all and make sure that we fit the right one to the right spark plugs. This lead here is the number one lead, I'm sure. It's very close to the same size. I'm happy to fit that one. What I need to do though is remove the insulator. It's a heat insulator and that actually comes with the car. It's metal and we'll slide that over the new lead. Then we can discard the old lead. We're finished with that. We'll put a little bit of dielectric grease around the inside of the boot that's going to go around the spark plug. It keeps the electricity in and the water out, and we'll do the same at the other end. The other end connects to the coil. We've got the grease in. So it's the spark plug end that we fit first. So carefully we just push on the back of the boot until we feel a snap. And there's the snap. Then we fit it up to the coil the same way. There'll be also a snap. Straight down on the boot and a snap. And then fit the cable into its keeper. Just give them a little wiggle and make sure that they're not going to fall off. And we're happy that number one is complete. Now we just follow the same process for the rest of the ignition leads and the job is easy. Next thing, and the only thing I've got left to do, is to put this snorkel back on. So just a reverse of the dismantle here really. Just clip the airbox together, push in all the plugs and do up the clamp. Job's done.